What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the P6 Smart Projector. Now, this was sent out to me by this company. Big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So this will be good for things like movie night, where you can watch some of your favorite movies. You can use this for working out, using your videos. This has gaming hub. You can stream your favorite games from anywhere. No console required, and just everyday party stuff as well, as you guys see here. Now, some of the features and details. This has motorized function, which ensures clear, sharp images. It has sealed optical engine, dustproof, noise reducing, and color accurate. This features 200 ANSI lumens brightness, true brightness with no exaggeration. This has a quad-core CPU, powerful video processing capabilities. It features AU MI TV OS, intelligent control, convenient and easy, 1080p resolution, high definition, powerful speaker. You get two 5-watt speakers. You get 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of storage. Now, the 1080p resolution features true HD quality, bringing detail to life. The P6 delivers the true HD visuals with fine details. Its 1.27 by 1 throw ratio projects up to 120-inch screen in small spaces for immersive experience. Now, this is wireless stream mirroring, double the fun. Built-in tools supports phones, computers, tablets, transforming small screens into big screens with even more fun. Now, the compatible links, you're going to have HDMI, USB, and auxiliary in. As you guys see, here's the packaging that it comes in. You guys see infinite view. You got a little bit more information over here. And then here's some information that you guys may want to pause and read. Right here, HD original image projection, multi-state smart configuration, dynamic image adaptation, and entertainment hub. Like I said, you guys can pause this, read it yourself. So this also features Wi-Fi 6 smart connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0. That way you can hook up external speakers as well. And also HD 4K projection for stunning visuals with automatic horizon keystone correction as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the packaging. We'll take a look at it. Okay, guys, so here's everything that was in the box. So you get the projector, power cord, remote control, and you also get your quick installation guide right here. Now, this will tell you everything you need to know about the device. Breaks it down into different categories here, so you'll be well informed on how to use it. So let's go through the breakdown of the projector itself. So on the top, you're going to have your power button on and off right here. In the front of it, you're going to have your lens. And down here, this is your front remote control receiver. So that's going to help you control it. Got a vent on this side. Then on the back, this is what they call a trumpet. Got vent. You're going to have your headphone jack. You get your rear remote control receiver, HDMI, USB-A, and your power in right there. Now, this is made out of plastic. Does have a little weight. You got another vent on this side. Not too heavy at all. Really a nice size. And then on the bottom of it, you got a area here if you want to put this on a stand like a tripod or something there. That's your 1/4 inch screw. And then you have a bracket, and I'm not sure what this bracket is for, but it's there. And then you also have some rubber grip feet down here at the bottom as well. So very nice. I do like the way it looks. Kind of compact and small. And next, let's take a look at the remote control. So here's the remote control. So you got your power button. You're going to have your settings button. You got your directional pad, OK button right there. You got your menu button, your back button, and your home button. Over here, you got your left and right, volume up and down. You got a mouse right here. You got your focus and page up and down, and also your mute button. So that is pretty much it. This is going to require two AAA batteries as well. And then you got your power cord, which just plugs into the back right in this area right here. So very nice device. It looks very nice. And we're going to see just how well this works. Take that off the lens there. Once I get it powered up and plugged in, we'll go through the menu on the projector itself. Okay guys, so I have my projector screen set up. I do have an overhead light on right now, so this is not the true image quality. Now my screen does have some wrinkles in it, so hopefully that doesn't affect how the image quality look. And let's take a look at the projector. As you guys see, I have it on a tripod. That's one way you can set it up. Remember, there's a hole under the bottom of it that you can use to set this up. So let's go ahead and go through the settings and check it out. Okay guys, so we have the projector hooked up and it is going here. So we're gonna go ahead and go through some of the settings and take a look at the display here. So let's go into the settings. As you guys see, looks pretty good. Now my screen is a little bit wrinkled, but the quality looks great. So when you get into the settings, you're gonna have your Wi-Fi settings. Next, you're gonna have your Bluetooth settings. Next, you got your image. So image, you got standard, you got movie. So if I switch that over, it gets a little warmer. If I go to vivid, it's a little bit brighter. And you also can customize this as well, as you guys see. So that is your image right there. You go back out. The next down is going to be your projection. So you got positive front, negative front, positive rear, negative rear. You can also adjust the screen size. Let's go back. So digital zoom, I can make this smaller. You guys see, or I can make it all the way. So there it is. You got auto correction, manual correction, and reset all. And we're gonna get out of this. So you got source. This is gonna be local and HDMI. So you got HDMI, CEC, HDMI ARC, auto switch, and startup source. Next, you got your audio. This key press that you hear coming from when I press the remote, you can turn that on and off. And then you got system, AUMI TV, language, typing, Android keyboard. You can swap that over to another keyboard. You got your time zone, system upgrade, factory set, things like that. So that is in your settings. I'm gonna get out of settings. So at the top, you got a quick way to get to your settings. You got source, settings, that's just another way to get to the settings that we were in. You got source, which is going to be, if you have your HDMI connected right there. I'm going to go back. Wallpapers, they have several wallpapers that you can choose from here. That's the one that I chose right there. And then you got TOU, terms of use, privacy settings, and AD options. So that is what's in there. And we're gonna get out of this completely. So now we're in the main menu. This is the main page. You got a search over here where you can search. You got home, which is gonna be this. On home, you're gonna have, just about all of your apps and stuff here. Or you can go into the App Store. You got YouTube, whatever you assign to this page, that's what you're gonna have there. You got next over, it's gonna be movies. So you can go in and watch movies on whatever platform you have downloaded. You can break it down to kids and, laughter, romance, adventure, top picks, things like that. So you can have, I'll show you the apps that you can have on here. Next, you got TV shows, which is going to be a wide variety. It just depends on where you choose to watch a TV show from, which platform, whether it be Tubi, Netflix, whichever one they have here. So next is going to be your apps. So right here, You got YouTube, as you see, Netflix, Prime Video, and there's a bunch that you can add. So you also have their app store, which I'm going to go into right here. And you can load things from their app store. You can break it down in categories, as you guys see: video, music, sports, news, lifestyle, education, tools, and games. So if you're someone who likes to play games, this is their game store right here. It's going to have a lot of the popular games in here. And you also have the Google Play Store as well on here. So I'm backing up. So yeah, you got Paramount for watching videos, got Spotify, Red Bull, Sling, Netflix. I've already mentioned that. Let's go down some more here. Google Play Store. We'll go into the Google Play Store real quick. And as you guys see, this is working very fast. You guys can see some of the stuff in the Google Play Store. You can also go in and search for different apps here. And you got games. These are the games in the Google Play Store right here. So you're not going to have all games on here, but you're going to have, enough to keep you entertained here. So that is, what section are we in here? Gonna go back out. Okay, so that was apps. And then you got library, which I don't have anything in there. Over here you got a weather app as well, which is pretty nice. Let you know the weather in your area right there. And you also got your time and your Wi-Fi signal as well. So you can also connect your phone to this, your laptop, whatever you want to connect, and look at your movies and videos like that. So let's take a look at this and see how it actually looks. So we're going to go up here and we're going to go to app, and I'm going to go to YouTube and pull up a YouTube video. I don't want to get copyright on too much stuff, so I'm not going to go into Netflix and Prime Video, but I'm going to go to YouTube. And as you guys see, it opens up everything pretty quick. You're not going to have any issues opening anything up here. So let's go ahead and try some 4K video. You can search here on YouTube as well. So I'm going to pull something up right here. I'll come right back and let you guys look at the quality of this as well. So stand by, guys. Okay, guys, so now I have a 4K video up here. This is one that's been on YouTube for a long time. And as you guys see, it looks great. The video quality is excellent on here. I'm going to turn this down a little bit. I don't want to get copyright, like I said. But here it is, and as you guys see, it looks excellent, and I'll demonstrate the speakers in a minute. But you guys see the colors are very vibrant. Blacks are deep. Just looks very nice on, and to say that it's not a TV. So that's what the video quality looks like. Let's go ahead and try something else. Okay, guys, so now I have one of my videos pulled up. And my string that I'm using, Projector string, does have some wrinkles in it, so that's kind of why it looks like that. But I do have the volume up to about 78. And as you guys see, this looks great. So this is going to be good for watching your favorite videos, playing your games, hooking up and doing whatever you want to do with it. It's going to be excellent. The quality looks great. And next, I just want to let you play a little music and let you guys hear the speakers. So let's get to that. Okay, guys, so now I have one of my videos up that has music. So I'm going to let you see how the speaker on this sound. So this is maxed out on the speaker. And it's just one speaker, I think, and it sounds great. So you do have the option to add an external speaker as well. So that's going to be nice. So before we finish the video, you have other stuff here. You have mirror receiver, file manager as well. and you got a host of a lot of different apps you can download and use. You got things like Fox News, Online Focus, NBC News, ESPN, Spotify, TuneIn. You know, you guys see Amazon Music. So you're going to have a lot of things that you can download, movies, TV shows, and apps, and listen at your music as well. So let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay, guys, so this has been my look at the P6 Smart Projector. In my opinion, this is an excellent little projector here. Has some great image quality. The two 5-watt speakers sound great as well. You have the ability to place this on a stand, or you can set it flat and use this little stand right here to angle it. And you do have the ability to hook up USB-A or HDMI. You also have a 3.5 jack there as well. And I think it looks great, man. You're going to be able to watch your movies, play your music, play games, just a host of things that this is capable of doing. Comes with a nice remote control that's very easy to understand and to use. And I think it's a great product for the price. So I'll definitely leave a product purchase link down below. If you have any questions about it, hit me in the comments. I'll try and answer them. Will H. I'm out.